Hey guys, my name is Nicole, and I'm going to be taking you through a quick 10-minute MFA workout on the treadmill. All right, we're going to do some intervals, so get ready to push yourself a little bit. You can go ahead and get started pressing quick start here. We're going to start with a walk. All right, so 3, 2, and we're moving. I'm going to have you put this on a decent incline to start, okay? I'm going to go to about 8 to begin. I'm going to put my speed up to a nice walking speed of about 3, okay? So this is just for a little warm up before we get into it, okay? So we're just going to go for a minute here total, just to get everything moving. And after we hit a minute, I'm going to have you up that speed and push yourself to quite a fast jog, okay? And we are going to keep this incline on 8. That's not the highest it can go, but you'll feel the difference, okay, between that and being flat, okay? So we're coming up to a minute here. We're going to up this, okay? I'm going all the way up to about 8 here, okay? Get a nice pace. Okay, we're gonna go at least 30 seconds. Breathe. Push yourself here, guys. Keep going. If you can make it all the way to 2 minutes total, that's ideal. Almost there. Okay, 2 minutes. You can pump that back down to about speed of 3 again. Maybe a little more if it feels good to you. And now we're just going to keep walking. Active cool down. Try to breathe. Let your body relax. We're going to go at least until 3 minutes total. Okay? Keep it up, guys. You got it. All right. Walking on an incline does a lot more than you think it does. You'll get quite out of breath from this, even doing it alone. So adding in intervals makes it pretty tough, pretty intense for 10 minutes, okay? I'm gonna go till 3 minutes, 30 seconds total. And now I'm upping it to something in between. All right, I'm gonna do 6 now. Okay? Get a nice pace. Lift those knees. Breathe. Stay focused. We're 4 minutes in. Almost halfway there, guys. We're gonna go to 4:30, right? And now we can put it down, back down to our 3. Maybe we up it to 3.3. Breathe. We're still on 8 incline here, okay? We're almost to 5 minutes. Y'all got it. Keep going. Halfway there. Whew. Once we get to 5 minutes, 30 seconds, we're gonna go again. All right. And I'm gonna put mine up to about 5 this time. Actually, 5.5 will be great. Feel your core as you're running. Feel the whole body engaged. Okay. Think of the muscles moving, doing some work. Keep going. We're at 6 minutes total now. We're gonna make it to 6:30, okay? Keep it up. "15 seconds. And 3, 2, back down. Go back down to our 3 or 3.2. Deep breaths. We're at 6:45 now. Keep it going. Catch your breath. And once we get to 7, in about 3 seconds, we're gonna up this incline even more. And we're gonna put it on max. It's 15, okay? It's tough, but you got it. Even the walking is gonna feel difficult on this, okay? Whew! Engage your body. Use the glutes. Use the core. Use the quads. We're at 7:30 now. Okay, keep going. Whew. All right, y'all, in 15 seconds, we're gonna do the hardest part. We're gonna bump up the speed a bit. We're gonna go for a jog for 30 seconds, okay, on this high incline. So 3, 2. I'm at 5.5. Go until 8:30. If you want to push it, go longer. Or faster. I'm gonna go a little longer here to 8:40, okay? And there we are. Go back down to 3. Woo! Y'all doing great. We have 1 minute and 10 seconds left. You're just gonna spend that right here. Walking, breathing on this high incline, okay? Doing great. Keep it going. Less than a minute, guys. This is a great alternative to just jogging forever, okay? Doing that incline does a lot for your muscles. And notice how we didn't stop once for 10 minutes, okay? 30 seconds. And by sprinting, You get a lot more muscle involvement than you do with just a slow jog, okay? 10 seconds, guys. And that's our 10 minutes. You are welcome to now take the incline down to an easier level and walk until you catch your breath again. No need to hop off too quickly. But if you're in a time crunch, pat yourself on the back, do some quick stretches, and walk an active cool down, okay? Whew. We're at 10:30 here. Just gonna go about 15 more seconds. And 3, 2, 1. Great job, guys.